What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Quant, QNT, which has been pumping up in value, 17% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading just below $122. So is it time to buy this crypto? Is it too late? Is it time to sell on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and obviously looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and looking at, is a crypto worth investing into, or should you just avoid this at all costs? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is up just about 3% in the last 24 hours, and Quant has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list, as you can see here, the third top gainer in the last 24 hours. Let me just change this to USD. So as you can see here, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain just about 2%, but it has started to drop down in value. Over the last day, 17%. Over the week, 12%. Most of the week, it was fluctuating around $106, $105, and earlier this morning, it decided to pump up in value. Over the month, 98% up, guys, nearly 100% up in a space of 4 weeks, which is absolutely insane. As you can see, it was literally trading about $61, and yeah, has gone double its value right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 165% in the last 24 hours, making it $72.4 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Quant. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more people will be investing into the crypto. As you can see, 72% buy against 28% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you can see at the top, we do have the daily chart with the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, currently valuing Quant at $103. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at $122, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, yes, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They're not looking too steep, but that's not what we want. We want it to go in a positive direction, a slow and steady pace, and that is exactly what it's doing at the moment. So minimal increases in value are expected over the coming hours. So let's say by early morning tomorrow to midday tomorrow, we should expect it to go above the $125, hopefully heading to about $130 is what I'm expecting. But again, it is going to be minimal increases, because we have to bear in mind the drops in between as well. It's not going to be consistently gaining value. We are going to see red candles in between, just like what's happened here over the last couple of hours. We have seen red candles as well as green candles. So the overall outcome has been positive, but it is going to be very minimal. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, once again, we still got the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming days. So let's say by next weekend, so towards the end of next week, we should expect it to be above the $130 mark. However, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting green days every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's red, days when it's green. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So more increases in value are expected, especially that over the last 4 weeks, as you guys can see, it has been pumping up in value, but dips are always part of the process. As you can see, there's been dips as well, and that's exactly what I'm expecting to carry on. Dips are always part of the process, but as long as we see it moving in a positive direction, that's all that matters. So let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now, we're not looking as positive as the previous two charts, but we're still looking quite good. There are no negative directions here, negative lines, sorry. We still got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is literally, it looks like it is going in a straight line but is slanting towards the positive direction. So essentially both the lines are still looking bullish, going towards the positive direction. So again, an overall increase in value is what we are expecting over the next few weeks. So mid-September to late September, I am expecting us to be way above the $130 mark, hopefully heading to about 150 to 160. This is what I'm expecting. Again, it could be way above that or way below that depending on how the crypto market performs. We all know crypto hasn't been as great as we expected it to be so far in 2022. It's been moving in a downwards trend. It's been very volatile, but more on the negative direction. So obviously major crashes are not expected, major price pumps and bull runs are also not expected. So if anything like that does take place over the coming weeks, then yes, Quant will be affected majorly, and most cryptos out there as well. But to keep you guys on the up to date with the crypto market and what's going on and my predictions and so on, I have created a Telegram group chat showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, because more or less Bitcoin does control the market in a positive and negative direction. And I'll also be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. so make sure you're quick if you guys want to make use of this discount code here. So just to give you guys a clear image on what's going to take place once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to expect, what to predict, and so on. And I also give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. Anyways, back to Quant we go. So as you can see, this is very exciting as we have been resisting at this target level here over the last couple of weeks. To about 2 to 3 weeks we've been resisting, and we have finally broken out into the green zone, which is absolutely insane. However, it is likely to drop back down to the red zone over the coming days and potentially head back up to hitting about $130, $135 over the coming weeks. So yeah, so far so good, guys. We have managed to hit the green zone, and I did let you guys know around early to mid-August Quant should be able to hit the green zone, and that is exactly what's taken place. So hopefully we should be moving onwards and upwards from now on, and hopefully head into the dark green zone towards the end of the year. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Quant, guys. Let me know what your expectations, how high or how low do you guys expect this crypto to go, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.